This is the fastest tour of a new construction home in Auburn, California. Why would you buy an older home when you can have this one? You're just 3 minutes away from Old Town Auburn, coffee, best local dining, and just minutes away from I-80. Both the primary and guest suites are on the main level, and you have a custom kitchen with a spacious pantry, but that's not all. And in the backyard, you can build an ADU or a guest house with its own street access. If you want a new built home in Auburn, this is it. Move-in ready and just over $1 million. Message me for a private tour.